Hello YouTube family. Today I want to talk to you about a very serious topic, and that is the dream of moving to Florida and buying a home still alive and well? The dream is still alive and well. It is still possible to buy a brand new construction home in Florida in the low 300,000s. Now, if you stick around until the end, I'm going to show you a model of that home. But before we get into all of that, let's talk about the location. As you know, with real estate, it's always about location, location, location. And this community is the epitome of being in the perfect location. Within 5 minutes, you can be on US 41, which will take you anywhere you want to go, quickly in Fort Myers. Within 5 minutes, you can be on Del Prado, which will take you all over Cape Coral. You're within 3 minutes of shopping, dining, going to the doctor's office, and you are a quick 10-minute drive to downtown Fort Myers. You're about 20 minutes to downtown Punta Gorda, about 30 minutes to downtown Cape Coral and the Cape Coral Beach, and about 40 minutes to Fort Myers Beach. What more could you ask for? Okay, for those of you with school-aged children, listen up. There are many amazing schools nearby, but the one that I want to highlight today is North Fort Myers High School. And that is because it is an A-rated school on niche.com. All right, let's talk about those amenities. As you can see, they've already broken ground on the amenity center behind me. It's going to be amazing, it's going to be enormous, and it's going to be so cool. Now, let's talk specifically. I'm going to go over here towards the sign of the planned amenities coming soon, and let's talk more about what that looks like. So, as you can see, they're going to have an incredible resort-style pool with its own lap pool. They're going to have a splash pad and a playground for kids, along with a clubhouse and workout room. Now they're going to have bocce ball, they're going to have tennis, and they're going to have pickleball. Coral Bay has something for everyone and is definitely fun for all ages. Coral Bay has a ton of different style homes and floor plans to offer. Today I'm really excited to show you two of their models. This first one that I'm going to tour you through is called the Cali. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage, and you can get this at an unbelievable starting price in the 350,000s. Now that depends on what lot you choose, but guys, where else can you get that kind of value? Come on, let's go check it out. We are here in the foyer. Now, this is currently being used as a sales office, as you can see, but I love how they use the wood-looking tile here. That's really pretty. This first bedroom over here on my right is currently being used as an office, but as you can see, it's a really good size. Then we have a half bath right here in the middle. This is actually going to be the second full bathroom. Once they are done using it as a sales office, they'll convert it and put a full shower in here. All right, back out in the foyer area, guys. Right here, the door that leads to the garage. If you want to go out here and check it out while we're in this location. 2-car garage. The laundry room is over here on my right. So that's perfectly located, directly across from the entry of the garage. Got another bedroom over here. Again, this is a really good size. And you'll have a nice view of the amenity center from this room. Now, check out this kitchen. I love how this is all laid out in a really open flow and floor plan, guys. This is perfect for entertaining. I love that the quartz countertops are a standard feature with this package. And of course, the stainless steel appliances are a nice touch. Check out this little coffee bar area over here. At over 1,800 square feet, this 4-bedroom home could accommodate a family very easily, or you could use a bedroom or two as an office space. Just let your imagination run wild. You've got plenty of room for at least a 6 or maybe even an 8-seater dining table here. Plenty of room for, you know, 3 or 4 chairs at your island, so tons of seating for everyone. Look at this living room area. It's pretty spacious, right? Really cute. I love it. I can see the TV over here, mounted to the wall. And now it's time to check out the master. Ooh, I love the colors they chose. Fun pops of color in here. They've got the carpet in the bedrooms, which is quite cozy. And then they've got the wood-looking tile throughout all the common areas and in the bathrooms. You got a nice, spacious bathroom with double vanities. I love the huge walk-in shower. You can see that this shower is really easy to get in and out of. It doesn't have a bathtub. And you get a walk-in closet. How cool is that? Now, one more thing I want to show you guys, a linen closet over here. Check that out. That's nice and organized. You even have room to hang some stuff in there. Pretty cool. Let's go check out the back. It's not really completed yet, but I want to show you guys this lake view. It's really gorgeous. Oh, another thing that I want to mention is I love how they put the pavers in the driveway and on the patio as a standard option. Look how cute this is. Plenty of room for a table out here or some loungy furniture, whatever you prefer. And their landscaping packages are really nice. They do a great job with those. And look at the view of this lake. I wanted to take a quick break and show you guys this cute ice cream shop. It's only 3 minutes away from Coral Bay. It's called Sylvia's Ice Cream. Now, they have over 700 ratings on Google and they have 4.9 stars, so I am super excited to check this out. Look at this, they have live entertainment. Oh my goodness, where's the Elvis one?
Oh, that was really good. You're gonna love this.
I know.
Right back.
Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. This is amazing, guys. This is the Elvis. Peanut butter, chocolate, banana, yummy goodness. This is like one of my favorite ice creams of all time. And they make all of their ice creams and waffle cones in-house here. And you can definitely taste the difference. This is super fresh and delicious. Okay, this is the final floor plan that I want to show you guys today, and this one is almost done. It's still under construction. They've got a few last minute touches to finish up. I actually have a client closing on this one in a few days, but I just wanted to show you how adorable it is and how it's laid out and what an incredible value it is. So they are calling this a 2-bedroom plus a den. I think you're going to be excited to see that it could easily be a 3-bedroom. It has 2 full baths, a 2-car garage, and it is just amazing. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, this one is set up a little bit different. So as soon as we come into the front door, to my immediate right is the garage, okay? 2-car garage, same as before. Again, we have a nice wide entryway. We've got the wood-looking tile. We've got our laundry room off to the right over here. And then we flow right into the kitchen area. Again, it's got this neat little coffee bar area with the quartz countertops, the bright white cabinets, and the beautiful stainless steel appliances. There is a bathroom. This is one of the full baths, guys. It's got the large tile again and the bathtub. So that's great if you have children or have people visiting with children. They like to take baths, right? Now, this bedroom is a little bit smaller, guys. Remember, this is 1,443 square feet. Still plenty of room to get a nice full-size bed in here and a little bit of furniture. Make it nice and cozy. I'm gonna flow right through this kitchen area again. Even though this is set up a little bit different than what we've looked at before, you've still got plenty of room to put 3 or 4 bar stools here. You've got a lot of space to go ahead and put a dining table right here if you choose to. And then you've still got a nice wide open living room area for ease of entertainment. Now, right off of the kitchen, I want to point out, this is our air handler in here. This is a nice deep pantry for all your groceries. Here is another guest bedroom, or this could be used as the den and set up as an office. It's really nice to have the option either way. You do have a closet and you do have a window in here, and you do have a door that you can close so that this room becomes a bedroom. It's nice and private. Now, this lot does have the pavers on the lanai. It does have a nice view of the lake. And right off of the main living room area here is your master. Now, you'll see that your master is a really nice size. You could easily fit a king size bed in here, a dresser, a TV, some nightstands. You can really make this look nice. Okay, carpet, wood looking tile, double vanity sinks. You got your walk-in shower. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Coral Bay today. If you want to know more about real estate anywhere in Southwest Florida, you can check out our website. It's over in the description. Search homes there. Go ahead and like this video, guys. If you know someone that would find value in it, we would love for you to share it with them. And we just want to thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in paradise.